Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Prices a little bit lower overnight. Getting ready for tomorrow's USDA report, which should show farmers switching acres from corn and wheat to soybeans. We also should see stocks as of March 1 higher than a year ago, and corn stocks record high. So all this should be, on one hand, negative to the marketplace, and on the other hand, maybe already in with prices dropping over the last 30 days. Especially corn and wheat are near some critical support. We're going to need some more selling to come into the marketplace to push below these levels of support. And after the report, I think that we'll start seeing maybe a little bit of buying coming into the marketplace in case there's some summer weather issues. We did see that open interest jumped in corn yesterday, suggesting there might have been some pricing going on before the report. The beans, though, still has some more potential downside with the big South American crops and U.S. farmers adding acres here. Weather-wise, no real problems in Brazil. We saw some good rains moving across the southern plains and Midwest. The 6th day calls for normal to above temps and possibly normal to above rainfall. Argentina is getting too much rain, so we'll have to kind of watch that pretty closely. And we've got some forecasters suggesting long-range forecasts could be dry for parts of Europe and the former Soviet Union this summer. So we'll have to kind of watch that also. Big news overnight is world stocks are down. I think there was some talk that Chinese banks are not putting money into their economy, which caused some sell-off there and could offer some resistance here. Still watching Washington for any policy changes on health care, tax reform, and anything that might have to do with trade issues. We are seeing that Mexico is making some noise about possible retaliation against the U.S. if there's some taxes put on imports. And we'll be watching pretty closely because they've supposedly bought one cargo of South American corn to bring into Mexico. So we're looking at a bearish report tomorrow, potentially. We're looking at no real weather problems in the world yet. And we're looking at the fact the funds still have a little bit of long in beans and meal. They're short oil, they're short corn, they're short wheat going into the 2017 U.S. growing season. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.